About Webtalk. Webtalk is the first all-in-one networking app with free contact management and social syndication tools. In Webtalk, you can segregate your personal and professional networks, and even segment groups within each network for unparalleled external communication between groups. Integrated into your newsfeed is the ability to syndicate posts to your favorite social networks, which saves you time from manually posting to all networks, and money from using a paid syndication service, such as Hootsuite. Inside of your contact manager is an organized file tree to quickly locate contacts by network, groups, tags, keywords and more. You can also add time-stamped notes, contact information, and network values to each individual contact. Webtalk helps its members organize, manage, and maintain all online relationships the same way you would manage them in real life. While there is something for everyone in Webtalk, it was built for digital entrepreneurs by digital entrepreneurs, to power the digital economy. No matter why you network, do it better in Webtalk. Mission: help the world create more success. Values: founded by entrepreneurs on a mission to make the world a better place, Webtalk's core values include giving members back control of their data and relationship capital, sharing revenue with members in exchange for their data and time, and donating 10% of profits to charity. Goals: short-term, solve relationship management issues created as a result of the high volume of online connections being made in the digital economy. Mid-term, provide due diligence on demand, offering verified ID and credentials, allowing for a more trusted online community that will accelerate the creation of new relationships. Long-term, become the destination to begin and maintain all relationships online with end-to-end relationship management, including the ability to buy and sell products and services. Future: we are building Webtalk to become your personal assistant for all relationship management needs using our glasses. Imagine looking at someone and their Webtalk profile appears in the glasses with verified credentials and ID. Then you are able to quickly add them to the networks of your choosing with tags, notes, and location where you met. This is the future we have imagined for Webtalk. Check below the video. There is a link in the description for more information. Join free today.